Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, first video of my college series, which is super fun. I need to start grinding them out because I have so many videos I want to make before I go back to college, and I go back towards the end of August. But I thought my empty house tour would be cool to watch, and my empty room tour and my room design plan. I made a video like this last year and it was actually really nice to be able to like plan what I wanted my room to look like and then execute it. So that's what I'm doing again this year. Now before I show you my house, it's pretty cheap. Okay, my rent is $410 a month. That includes water, but that includes no other utilities, no electricity or Wi-Fi or anything, so we have to pay that separately. It's kind of a dump, but I love that for it. All of the floors are like a little bit crooked. Like the house is not very structurally sound, but it's a home. Anyways, okay, we'll start this off with the house tour. I already had a few things moved in because this is when my brother, my mom, and I went to set up some furniture. So all the furniture I have is from IKEA. And you'll see I just have like my bed, my desk, and everything. So yeah, here's that part. So this is the entrance to my house. And in this first little living room, we just have like a futon, some shelving units. It's not done yet, so we're gonna add more stuff. But then this door right here is my bedroom on the right. We'll come back to that. And then this is our main living room where we're gonna have like the TV and the couch and everything. This all just got painted white since the last people lived there, but this back wall's still green and I think it's actually kind of cute. And then you keep walking and we have our little kitchen over here. And it's actually really big considering it's like a college house. But we'll go back to my room first. So this is just like my bed. You can see the window, the tiny closet, and then my desk and everything right here. And I have this rug too. And as you can see, the closet is absolutely tiny. And I will be fitting little to no clothes in there. Oh, and then there's my brother. Okay, here's back to the kitchen. We have so many cabinets and storage space. It's actually really amazing. And then that door goes into the basement. Upstairs, we have 3 other bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The only bathroom we have is this one right here with the wood paneling. It's actually kind of cute, but the shower is really long, so the shower curtain doesn't actually fit. And then there's a parking lot out the window. Hopefully I can park there, but I doubt it. And then we just have like some shelving units and stuff. Then when you come out, we have my roommate's 3 other bedrooms. They obviously have a lot more storage and closet space and windows. It's okay, you know, someone had to have the bad bedroom. This one's actually the coolest. You can actually climb out the window and sit on the little roof. They don't look as big in pictures, but they're not too small, and when they have furniture in them, you'll be able to see better, but alright, now I made a PowerPoint presentation that I wanted to show you of my room design plan. So we're starting with Ashley's mega epic college dungeon bedroom. My room has 1 window, and outside of that window is a covered patio that's very like wide. So I get absolutely 0 direct sunlight whatsoever, and indirect sunlight, it's still pretty dark. So I'm gonna have to have a lot of light. That's why I call it the dungeon, because it's kind of a dungeon. The walls are green. Honestly, it's the least ugly green that could be possible, and I kind of like it a lot. So with that being said, we'll go into the PowerPoint. This is my vibes for the room. I want it to feel very, not cluttered, but like lived in and colorful and just refreshing. And I need it to be like a safe place for me, because the roommate situation's not great. But I think with a super cute room that makes me feel like I'm in a cozy place, like at home, it'll be really nice. A lot of the stuff that I'm using is also stuff that I did have in my house here, and I just did a room tour, so you can see that if you want to. But yeah, so it'll be same vibes-ish, hopefully more filled in, lived in. It's a smaller room. I have a lot of storage issues, but we'll figure it out. You'll be there with me. We'll do it together. But I thought this would be nice if you are moving into a dorm, a lot of my ideas also apply to that, or if you're moving into your own apartment, anything like that. Okay, so here are the pictures of the empty room. So my closet, a disaster. It's the smallest closet of the house. It is probably about a fifth of the closet that I have in my house right now, like at my home. There's just like no space to hang stuff, so I have to get a lot of like bins to store stuff in. I'll show you later what I have so far, but you can see the window and the porch outside of it and how it's covered. So here's the furniture I have. It's all from IKEA. So I have that beautiful bed, which by the way, was out of stock for months, right? So I go to the IKEA when I was picking up the other stuff and they had the bed frame. And I was like, no way. And you buy them individually. So I had to buy 3 boxes basically for this one bed. So I found that one and I was stoked. And then I found there's like the beam in the middle. That was also a separate piece. And I found that too. So I was like, no way. So the only thing missing was like the bed slats that are just the pieces of wood that fit into the bed. So I just bought wood and cut it to the correct length. And so I have that fully figured out. And now the out of stock bed is my bed. I got it for almost the same price that the actual bed was. So I'm really excited about that. And then my desk is the Mikey something like that it's called, IKEA desk. It's super nice. I had to put it together, all this stuff, but it looks good. And then I have that shelving unit. It's like the 1x4 cubes. I'm gonna get another one of those to put underneath my window so that I have more storage over there and I can set stuff on it. I'm gonna put it like horizontally underneath the window. So this is just the first one I have. As you can see by the picture, it is up against the molding at the bottom of the wall. I think it's called molding. And if you look at the picture, you can see the gap at the top because the floors are all like this, kind of. They like dip in the middle. So that's fun. I love that though. It's not bad. Okay, so then I want to make a collage wall. So I've been painting a lot. So all of these are like my paintings that I've done. I have more now, but I want to just add a lot of fun paintings. And the fact that like I'm painting them myself will just be so cool. If someone's like, I love this one, I can be like, oh my god, I painted it. Thanks. So that's what I've been doing, and this is just the vibe so far of all the ones that I have. And then I wanted to design some mirrors because mirrors make your space feel bigger. They're fun. I saw a TikTok where she made like a wavy mirror, so I made 2 of those, and one of them is white and blue and the other one is yellow and purple. I don't love the yellow and purple one. I wish I went with a different color. So I basically just took clay and just did like the pattern on top of wax paper that I drew the mirror around, and then I took them apart so I could paint them individually and not have to worry about the paint getting on it. They turned out cute though, and I really like it, and I think they'll look super cute in the room. And then this mushroom one, I also like basically recreated it just on another mirror. So I have that to hang too. I think that'll be super, super cute. It turned out really nice. And then I have a picture on the left of my bed at home because I'm using the same throw pillows pretty much, and possibly the same comforter, I'm not sure yet. But I want a lot of vines, I want a lot of bright fun colors, and I might bring that map, this one. I haven't decided yet. Also, sorry about the vines falling down. I just don't care anymore. Yeah, I'm hoping that'll be cool. I might get this purple gingham sheet set because I think that'd be so cute. But I haven't decided yet. It's like $30, so I just don't know if it's worth it because I have other sheets that'll probably fit. And then also I have string lights from my last dorm. You can watch that tour also from last year. Don't know if this is gonna work, but my plan is to take them and hang them on the ceiling. Just, I don't know if they'll be straight or if it'll be some kind of cool design. And then that way, if I need light, because my room is so dark, I can turn them on and it'll be above me. So if I'm like sitting in bed doing whatever, I'll have the light above me, or at my desk, the light will be behind me. And they're actually pretty bright. And I feel like if against the white wall too, they'll be like super bright and nice. And then I'll have vines around them so you can't really see them, I think. If it works out, I don't know. I don't know how I'd hang them, but I think that would be super cool too. All right, so that is it for my first video in my series of moving into college, my home tour, my bedroom design plan, and I'm super excited for this series. I hope you guys are ready for a bunch of videos. We're talking move-in vlogs, shopping vlogs, organizing vlogs, lots of fun videos, and I hope you're all excited. Please let me know below if you are going to college or if you're just watching these videos. I used to watch them when I was literally like probably 12 until I graduated high school because I was so excited for college, and I'm so excited to be making them now. Anyways, please, please, please comment below and let me know where you're at, why you're watching this video. If you're moving in, I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to connect with you. And I love you all so, 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 so much. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Oh, also, I made the thumbnail for this video before I dyed my hair. So sorry that it's blonde in there. But I didn't want to like color over it and make it dark. So that's just what you're dealing with. Anyways, love you.